यहाँ स्ट्रबेरी रोपेको कि भोलि पर्सि अब धेरै फलाएर खाउँ भनेर नानीहरूले टिपेर खान्छन्, किन्नु पर्दैन।
पहिले के थियो त्यहाँ तलमा?
यहाँ तल स्ट्रबेरी
पहिले त खोर्सानी थियो नि त।
पहिले त चिल्ली रोपेको थियो कि अहिले चाहिँ के अरे स्ट्रबेरी लगाएको।
चिल्लीको सिजन गयो नि त माने।
चिल्लीको सिजन गयो, अब स्ट्रबेरीको सिजन लगाएको। भोलि पर्सि यो कति सबैले मन पराउनु खान्छन्।
हाम्रो क्वारेन्टाइनको बेलामा चाहिँ यस्तै छ, घरमा काम गरे।
हेल्दी कुराहरु, भिटामिन कुराहरु।
मा क्वारेन्टाइन भनेको के हो थाहा?
क्वारेन्टाइन भनेको के हो?
क्वारेन्टाइन भनेको चाहिँ यो लकडाउन जस्तै हो क्या। लकडाउन भनेको चाहिँ अब थाहा छ तपाईँलाई, यो उयोले गरेर लकडाउन हुन्छ नि त। अनि क्वारेन्टाइनको टाइममा के गर्दैछ भनेको लकडाउन टाइममा के गर्दैछ भने जस्तै।
ए लकडाउन टाइममा चाहिँ हामी गार्डनिङ काम गर्छौँ।
हामी त बिजी नि मा लकडाउनमा त।
गार्डनिङ काम गर्छौँ। घरको के हो?
लकडाउन भएको र नआएको एउटै हुन्छ तपाईँहरूलाई त।
लकडाउन भएको थाहै पाएन हामीलाई त।
काम गर्दा गर्दै
कहिले गयो लकडाउन साउन्ड थाहा छैन। अनि कुकिङ गर्छौँ, खाना पकाउँछौँ, छोराहरू सबै हामी भेला भएर, नानीहरू भेला भएर अनि खान्छौँ। त्यहाँ सबै मिलेर गार्डनिङ काम गर्छौँ। हामी धेरै वाक गर्ने मान्छे हो हामी।
सकिगयो नि। How are you, Bosco?
Good, man.
How you been?
It's a good day.
Ubrochi, you from India, isn't it?
Yeah, I am from India.
Do you want to introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah. Hi, myself Bosco. I am from India. I stay in Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra?
Yeah. And I'm here for doing a diploma in nautical science, level 6 course.
How long have you been here for?
I've been here for 3 months now.
3 months now.
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Nelson is beautiful.
Yeah, Nelson is good, right?
Yeah.
के न्यू भन्नुभएको?
New 3 month new coming. Yeah, New July. Yeah, India come to New July.
3 months.
3 month. Yeah, my home together.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
My family.
bro चाहिँ हामी हाम्रो घरमै बस्नुहुन्छ नि त रुम रिन गरेर. So, yeah, so do you just study or do you work at the same time?
I just study right now. I am searching for a part-time job maybe because I have college weekly and I just have 2 days off. That's Saturday and Sunday. So yeah, maybe. I don't know.
We'll see. Hey. So you're doing level 6 now.
Yeah, that's right.
So how long you gonna study? You planning to study?
Till November. November will be the last month. We'll finish our semester then. And then we have another 3 months left on our visas. So we can just chill around, move around in New Zealand, or maybe we can go back home as soon as we can.
Yeah, and then you gotta come back again and apply the
Yeah, after maybe 3 years, I'll have to come back again for my promotions. That will be level 9.
So how did you come? Like what's the process of applying?
I had a consultancy back in India, which has a tie-up with NMIT. So what they do is they help you to apply for your visa, and then you gotta show some funds in your bank account, and then you're gonna pay the college fees. Then they send you a offer letter.
That's like before you come here, right? That's when you're in your own place, and then you apply and do everything before
you come here. When you come over here, you are just like you have entered a new place. You have to search on for everything. Then
you just have to start from bottom.
Yeah, you have to start here from bottom. Like first point is you have to search a good house to stay because house is very important. And if you're studying,
so when you first came, where did you stay?
I was staying with a backpacker when I came for 2.5 weeks.
So how like give us a little information, like how much did you pay in a backpacker?
I paid $180 per week.
Per week.
And that was a 10-bed dorm. So if you needed a
10 bed, you have to stay with 10 people.
Yeah, it was a 10-bed dorm, and if you need to get a 4-bed dorm, you need to pay $220. $220
a week.
And if you need a single room,
shit,
so you had to pay $250 per week.
No way.
Yes. So basically, when you come back over here, you have already transferred your funds to ANZ Bank. So you have already deposited $15,000, but you don't get the excess right away. Like you just come over here and you don't get the excess.
You don't?
No. So you have to first book an appointment. You have to prove your documents. Then you
to the bank.
And then the bank gives you a date of the account opening. That day will be the start date of your account. From then you can access amount.
Your funds.
Yeah, but that's to $1,250 every month on the fixed day. Like if it is for me, it comes on 18th every month. So every month 18th, $1,250 will be there in my account.
That deposit you deposit while you're in your
Yeah,
country,
yeah.
you using that now.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Oh,
using
to
right
help
now.
yourself kind
Yeah.
of go through the studies.
Yes,
I
yes.
see. I'm getting that. So is this like same thing for everyone, or like some people can do differently?
It is almost same for everyone. But only some people who I don't know. Maybe the immigration office has some criteria or something. But according to that, they just some people don't have to put FTS account. They just have to show the funds back home in their account, and they can just get a forex card, and they can use the same currency over here. So that helps, but that's actually a bit risky because when you finish that money, you're then gone for the. You have to survive. Like it's costly out here.
So basically, the backpacker you're talking about, was it in Nelson or?
it was in Nelson. It was just near Trafalgar Square.
So
What's his name?
near the traffic.
In between backpackers.
I have no idea, but near traffic, there's a lot of motels and.
It was just on the Trafalgar Square. Near the jam.
Long time video, bye.
Yeah.
Do bye.
हाम्रो माले उसलाई नि भाइ भन्नुहुन्छ मलाई नि भाइ भन्नुहुन्छ माको दुईजना भाइ छन् सो अभियसली ऊ चाहिँ यहाँ हाम्रो घरमा के अरे रुम रेन्ट गरेर बसिरहेको छ ब्रो सो हाउ मेनी कति भयो होला ऊ बसेको
The 1 month half.
You've been
My
staying here?
home is still home.
Yeah, more than 1.5 months. Yeah, 1.5 months.
1.5 So how like weekly how much do you pay
170 per week.
so just a rough idea so it's obviously a lot cheaper than staying in backpackers right?
Yeah, it is a lot cheaper than staying at a backpacker, as well as you have some certain privacy. And
That's
then,
right, eh?
Yeah, because you need a single room to stay. Like now, it's not we are small kids, so basically you need a separate room. You need to study. You need more of the time to study. So basically, at backpackers you can't do that because there is always a lot of
Yeah,
noise. There
always,
are
yeah.
people. There's someone coming out, going in. So basically, here that's nice.
Two by English very good.
Boy, it's now. Boy, it's now. It's in yeah. Gonna सुन्नु कस्तो भयो sorry के भन्नु थियो माले
Yeah, two by English very good. Yeah.
so like for your studies what
कान्छा भाइ ए कान्छा छोरा दुईटा कान्छा छोरा हो नि त सानो कान्छा र ठुलो कान्छा
so के गर्नु?
Older cancer, younger cancer.
Yeah,
Two.
older kancha, younger kancha.
few months is older than me
3 days.
3 दिनले ऊ जेठो छ नि
Oh, 3 days.
Yeah,
3 days.
October 5th, October 9th. October 8th.
अक्टोबर 9 अक्टोबर 9
9th, October 9th, yeah.
3 दिनले जेठो अरे ऊ।
3 दिन त जेठो हुन्छ अलिक घाँटे हुने हो केटा हो अलिक राम्रो तरिकाले गर्नुपर्छ 3 दिनै जेठो कान्छो हुन्छ मान्छे
हुन्छ नि
3 दिनमा जन्मिन्छ
3 दिनको अघि पछि
3 दिन
के भन्नुहुन्छ 3 दिनमा ऊ पहिले जन्म 3 दिन अगाडि ऊ जन्मेर जेठो भयो अनि म जन्मे
चाउले हो चाउले
जम्ले होइन नि 3 दिन
चाउले नै भन्दा भयो
हो
अघि पछि
सकियो नि कहाँ कुरा हुँदै थियो कहाँ पुग्यो so is there any information that like when new people are coming here they should just keep in mind like that you realize that might help you know?
First of all, I like to tell someone that first, if it is available, they have to try to sort their accommodation before coming here.
That's the important part
That's
right?
the
If you don't
most
have-
important part, because what happens is when you come over here,
उज्यालो यता this is good lighting here
when you come over here, then you kind of like get lost. Like then you start spending a lot of money because you don't have food at that time. If you have sorted your accommodation ahead, so you already know you have to go to the supermarket and then get stuff, and then you can start making your own food, cooking stuff. So basically that helps. But if you are like new to the place and then you come directly and then you are new,
You
then
got
you're
no
moving
links
around,
or
no
any-
links,
yeah.
nothing, and then food. Main issue is food because food is gonna be costly. Basically, the other food, other dishes that they have over here, we are not habituated to that food. We like Indian food, so Indian restaurants over here are gonna be costly. So
that's right eh
Yeah.
yeah Indian Nepali any Asian food
any
they're gonna
Asian
be-
food is costly over here. That's right.
Nepali, little bit different. Simala, many Simala. Yeah.
खानेकुराहरू सबै प्राय एउटै
Yes.
तरिकाले पकाइन्छ नि त
We eat everything one same. Yeah.
Almost,
Yeah. In Hindi Nepali talk is a little bit different. Many years. Yeah.
हो या स्कुल नगए पनि इङ्ग्लिस चाहिँ बिर्सिनु भएको होइन नि के गरी लु हौ प्र्याक्टिस गर्ने बेला भयो कोही कोही बेला हामी मात्रै बसेर
हाम्रोमा
इङ्ग्लिस मात्रै बोल्नुपर्छ
सबले कुरो थाहा त हुन्छ होला अब हिजो अस्ति यहाँ आएर अब क भने अक्षर नजानेको इङ्ग्लिस नेपाली बराबर पढ्छ अनि गुरु थाप्न आफै गर्ने
गुरु थाप्न पुग्यो
के गर्ने
गुरु बिना भयो
उही खुट्टा भयो नि त
त्यो भनेको चाहिँ
उसै गुरु छैन सिकाउने टिचर
आफै जानेर ठुलो भएको
सपनामा आफैले जाने आफै
सपनामा
आफै
हामीहरू ट्याक्टी सपनामा त त अनि
आफै जानेको नि
आफै जानेको
यसो भन्छ उसो भन्छ अनि
अब उहाँ स्कुलमा गयो टिचरले सिकायो लेख्नु जान्दैन पढ्नु जान्दैन यो घरमा बटोटङ पढ्छ इङ्ग्लिस अनि सकेन
टिचरै चाहिएन नि हो
होइन अब बोल्दै लाँदा आइहाल्छ नि त जानेको कुरा र सुनेको कुरा बुझेको कुरा आउँछ नि
स्कुलमा टिचर सेवा गर्नु नि स्कुलमा आउँदैन त
पढे लेखेर बोलेको कुरामा कति कुरा भिन्नता हुन्छ त हामीले क्या हो पढ्न जान्नेलाई लेख्न आउँदैन लेख्न जान्नेलाई पढ्न आउँदैन अब म बोल्छु लेख्नुमा त्यस्तै अलिअलि तलमाथि भइहाल्छ बोल्नको लागि आइहाल्छ चाहिएको बोल्नु त
चाहिएको त बोल्नै
बोल्नु पनि इम्पोर्टेन्ट बोल्नु हो
मात्रै बोल्दैन कि घरमा आएपछि अब टिचर जतिकै भएर हामीलाई सिकाउँछ अब हामीलाई सरम लाग्दो भइसक्यो
होइन गुरु बाबुसँग सरम भयो होला हौ।
सरम त भइसक्यो त गुरुबा
घरको गुरुबाबा पढ्नमा यता गुरुबा भएपछि अयो के गर्ने यसरी टाइम पास हुँदैछ हाम्रो क्वारेन्टिन चाहिँ घरमा बसे
होइन हाम्रो फ्यामिलीमा धेरै धेरै रमाइलो छ हाम्रो खुसियाली भएर हामी सबै फ्यामिली एक भएर बोल्छौँ हिँड्छौँ काम गर्छौँ सबै खाँदा हिँड्दा बस्दा सबै हाम्रो धेरै
मलाई 3 कप गर्छु भन्नु नि
तिनखेप गऱ्यो किनभने यो कोरोना त त्यस्तो कहाँ पुग्यो पुग्यो मुला 3 खेप गरेपछि कहाँको कोरोना आउँछ हौ
मुला सारेर खोर्सानी सारेर छैन खोर्सानीको सबै अहिले
सबै रोपेर तल एउटा खुट्टी सबै रोपेर आएको हामीलाई कसले भेट्छ कसैले भेट्दैन यहाँ हेर्नु हात यहाँ माटो
काम गर्दा गर्दै आउनुभएको
खोर्सानी खराएको खोर भित्र कहाँ फलिरहेको छ खराएको खोर मरिन्छ खोर्सानी
Yeah, because what you get is $1,250 every month. So basically, half of that goes to the rent.
So that money is from your own.
That's from the loan that we took back home in India. So most of the people, like it's 90% of people who apply for loan FTS. More than 90%, I can say, like 95%
What is
people.
FTS?
FTS is a fund transfer scheme. It's an account that immigration office with collaboration with ANZ. They have this kind of account in which you have to transfer some funds before coming to New Zealand. Like I transferred $15,000. That's the minimum criteria. Like you have to transfer $15,000 to your account. You transfer that money. You come over here. You get the excess, but you get excess only to $1,250 every month. So you have 12,000. Like you have 15,000 in your account, but from that every month it will be deducting 1,250. So they will not be giving you access to the whole amount. Like just 1,250 every month.
Just that much. So you have to live in that money.
Yeah, in that money itself. Yeah. So basically.
So
have
can
to
you
plan.
work while you study?
Yes, you can work 20 hours every week. 20 hours every week, but
That's the maximum you can
that's
work.
the maximum you can work, and you can work full time when you are having vacations, college holidays.
Holidays.
Yeah, like just now it's quarantine. You can work full time now because there is no time limit because college is shut. You can't do anything else.
You
So
can still study from home
Yeah.
and then work at the same
Work at
time.
the
like
same time,
for
that's right.
supermarket and stuff.
Yeah,
there's still open.
anywhere around the place, like you get any work. So basically, what happens is while the college is working, while the college is starting, basically for my course, I have the full week course. I can't miss lectures. Like
It's essential.
Yeah, it is a part of my requirement for the immigration office. So if I don't go to the college one day, I'll get a mail from college attaching the CC to immigration office. So
Oh
when
my
when I will be applying next time again, these questions will be asked. Ki Why
Like,
were
why'd you
why
miss
were
the
you
class?
not there these days? What happened?
So that's going to be a big effect to your coming to. Basically, it's going to be really big effect to your visa.
Yes,
If you don't go to
yes.
classes
If you
and-
don't go to class, your effect is gonna be on the visa. The college doesn't.
If
give
you
anything.
fail, that's even worse. Eh?
That's
If
even worse.
you
If
can't
you
do that.
fail, you're done. You're done
You're
for the year. Like
you can't be here.
yeah,
basically.
you can't be here. You have to go back and then apply and come back again. Or maybe if the college gives you an extension, the immigration office accepts your extension.
So how did the college give you extension? Do you have to be good at what you're doing, or have
no.
links like
Maybe
know some
have
teachers?
links, and maybe if you're like your course, it depends basically on your course. Like if your course is of a 3 years course, so they know okay, like 3 years course, 3 years
That's
visa.
long
The
enough,
final year, if you fail in one of the semesters, they're gonna extend a visa for 6 months maybe, or maybe 1 year extended visa.
To get the finish.
Yeah, to finish the
To
course.
finish the
Yeah.
course.
But if you are doing a 1 year course, for example, like mine, it is a diploma in nautical science course, so it's a level 6 course. So if you are doing the course for 1 year, you know that if you fail, your visa is just for 1 year. They are not gonna extend it again. Because then if they extend it again, the college has to give it in writing. College will not do that because they will not get the more fees which they actually get. So if I fail in one subject, I had to pay $2,000 for
$2,000.
$2,000 to resit the same exam.
That's a lot of money, man.
Yeah. So if now what happens if the college give me to reset, I'll just have to pay $2,000. I'll reset. Maybe I'll clear my exams. Done. But what happens is if they do not apply, if they do not get me a visa again, I have to go back to India. I have to pay $18,000 again. Come back, do the same course again fully. So that's how it works.
That's
Or else you
annoying,
don't
man.
come again. That is how it
So
works.
much you need to put in your mind and be careful with.
And you have to be very careful because when you are coming here, your motive should be very clear. Like you're coming here for studies. You are not coming here for anything else.
Yeah,
Your first
Priority is
priority should be studies. Yeah.
studies.
There are things that will lead your mind here and there because Nelson is pretty beautiful place. You will always feel like going out drinking because alcohol is cheap here
Yeah.
comparatively to India.
Yeah,
Yes, it is.
it's very cheap. Like
So-
$3 you can get a good beer.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, within $12 you get a case of 6 beers,
Six beers
six
easy.
Heinekens. So that is same as that's more costlier than cheaper than India, way more cheaper than India. So that's how it is. Like
So you
$30,
just gotta- yeah.
$40 you get Jack Daniels, Tennessee, honey.
Yeah.
So in India you're not gonna get that for $40.
You know your stuff, eh?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, because I lost some money in there, so I know my stuff now.
Alright, anyway, thanks, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for your help.
Okay.
Hopefully, this will help other people.
Yep, sure.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.